Photo up lang po kami.
Pangkita mo. Pangkita mo.
Chairwoman.
Luwag. Naiwan ako. Sir, konti lang.
Okay.
Tapos na. Okay na.
Sir, pa-open lang po yung gitna. Bigay.
Wala na ng konti.
Luwag ng konti. Luwag ng konti.
Dong, sausaw mo na yung mic natin dyan.
Okay na.
Oh, yan ang
Guys,
Pasay na po tayo, pasay. Tuloy na kayo.
Sir, papakita mo na yung mga yan. Konting atras lang po.
Okay na.
Mike, Dong. Sausaw mo na dyan. Babaan nyo lang.
Baba mo na.
Baba, yan, ganyan lang. Ibaba nyo lang, baba. Yan, para lang masagot nyo.
Sige, naka-vlog.
Sige na.
Bililari, pa-wide lang. Bumpol mo. Ayan. Sabi mamaya pa. Pawis na.
Ano sa akin natin? Pinahin ko ito.
Konti lang. Konti lang. Kuyang, pa-wide lang kami. Atras lang konti. Atras.
Boss, luwag ng konti. Luwag.
Wait lang daw. Atras lang po konti. Malambitin yung picture woman. Kailangan black.
Diyan, pwede pa patingin sa camera po yung mga ano dyan.
Nasa kapila. Kita yung side boss. Masya na baga.
Sir, short interview po. Short interview.
Boss, interview na tayo, boss. Pau. Pisa mo na.
Secretary. Mayor, ano po sa kanina magiging development? Well, depende kay Secretary. Kami naman, we suggested and at the same time consulted the community really put investment in this part of the city, which is a very historical city for us because our historical place, this is Quiapo. And in Quiapo, divided by two, where the Christian and the Muslim community meet every single day, live together, grew up together, and it's a peaceful community. We want them to invest in the skills and heritage of our Muslim brothers and sisters. in this country. We did it somewhere else in Manila. So far, matik operates namin, medyo successful naman. And I think itong ating halal town proposal, the national government secretary will be the next tourist spot in the city, not only for Santiago, not only Esplanade, not only other areas, but now this place. Any jungles and there, foreigners and domestic, can go here, feel safe. They can eat clean food, buy clothes, and so on and so on.
All right, statement from the Secretary.
Mamaya yan.
Ulo lang po, ulo. Kaya kagawad.
Wala pa po yung budget sa Mayor. Hanapan natin ng pondo. Una, meron naman local government support fund. Dahil tulong.
Meron po.
Bali sir, iba pa to sa
Online cellphone. Wala na akong makita.
Ako, iba pa yun. Kasi yung
Ayan o, 4 na cellphone nakasapa.
magkano yung
pag nakuha na po natin sa kanila. Next, Paulo.
is this hit close to home for you in a good way? You're part of the community. May Korea taon na sa may area ng Malate. Ma'am, karong camera lang po.
Siyempre, masayang po tayo.
Konti lang.
Sa Maynila. Unang-una, promote natin, inshallah, hopefully, maayos na rin natin ito. Tulong from UAP government. And then, inshallah, maayos natin ito. And then, next part, ito namang halal town. Alam niyo po ba na itong halal industry worldwide, it's a multi-billion industry po. Hindi lang po turismo ang makakatulong sa ating bansa, no? Pati yung mga trabaho para sa ating mga trabaho. So masaya tayo pag ito po ay napagawa. Of course, sa ating Manila government, sa Mayor, masaya tayo, no? Makakabigay tayo ng maraming trabaho sa ating mga trabaho.
Mayor, MSM is yung karamihan sa mga nanditong dinalaw ninyo. No? How does this project help?
Cellphone, guys.
Cellphone.
Especially dito sa area ng Quiapo na known as commercial.
Aba, konti. Cellphone po yan. Nakaputi.
Pagka tinignan mo ito, hindi lang Maynila ang makikinabang rito, kundi kapitbahay
Ano ba mo cellphone mo?
Because some of the goods we sold here is made from Mindanao. Kaya malaking bagay ito, isa sa yung particular sa
Kasama sa
natin, tawag natin, underground economy. Kasi maraming unlisted businesses. But putting investment in this area by the national government and local government, everything will be put into right perspective. Cleanliness, is in order, then legitimizing their existence where the government recognizes their effort. Ito mga ganito negosyo, kailangan na ito kilalangin. Mag-coexist. Meron lang tayo mga challenges, kailangan talaga tayo mag-participate yung mga kapitbahay natin dito ng ayusan, ng disiplina, ng kalinisan. Because at the end of the day, sila rin naman ang magkikinabang kapag mas maayos ko. Yes, you were right. There is Chinatown, there is Koreatown, now there will be Halal Town in the city of Manila. Why not? Kaya excited kami. And this can be also can be duplicated in other provinces or cities with the Islamic community. Kaya sa akin, pag nagtuloy-tuloy ito, kasi ako, wala ko ibang hinihingi sa kanila, kundi mag-ayos lang sila, usap nila ng disiplina, and make those people feel who will come here that they are safe and it's clean. Kinira ko nga, awa na Diyos. Nakaka-10 minutos na ako, okay pa. Saka mura pa. 30 pesos, imagine mo yun, soto na. So yung mga estudyante natin, just within the border of the Islamic community or Halal Town, which is nandiyan lang, mga isang bloke na lang ang layo. nandiyan na yung ating mga estudyante. O yung kanilang baon, o napapamahal sila. Pag dito, kasikpan kanina yung itlog, almusal. O 30 yung mabigat na kanin. So, kulang lang sa, I think, tuon ng pansin ng Pampanga. But today, with the Secretary, I'm very excited that there will be new things will go to Halal Town.
Do you have a timeline, sir?
I'm
From budget to
Bigay mo sa amin yung pera, tapusin namin agad ito. Kilala mo naman Manila, di ba? Kami, marami kami pangarap eh. Puro pangarap lang kami ngayon, wala kami chape. But with the help of the national government, excited kami lagi.
May translator.
In fact, as you all know, about 2 weeks ago, President and I had a very good talk and on all other plans for the city. And I think he's gonna do it. So, talagang nakakatuwa lang kasi kailangan namin yung lahat. Ganito, I cannot foresee how much you return, you know. What I give you facts of things in the past. You know, dati kami lang kumakain ng yun lang kumakain ng lechon, kamto, sumbong, and so on and so forth. Kami lang, mga taga-puto. Dalawa lang yun, si Rado, saka si Edith. What we call tomboy. Kami, tomboy.
Last question.
Now, after during our first term, parang ganito kalaki yun eh. Ito, hanggang kanto. Lahat ng bahay, naupahan, from 7,000 pesos become 35,000 pesos. Yung mga apartment. Daming trabaho, daming tinita. So that's one. That blow exponentially. Second, in the Campa area, the Los Reyes, recently, as you see, that blow out of exponentially rin. It's just that pagka mayroon semblance of governance, mas komportable ang tao ko. So, yung isang nagtitinda ron, ano kumuha ba yun? Oo, yun. Kasi yung iniinom, 60 pesos. Before, in the absence of government, 50 cups a day siya. When the government recognizes yung community, 400 plus cups a day. And when we visited it and started promoting it, became 1,000 cups a day. So if we do the math, I think the high probability of the community gaining economically is very high. So yun yung investment ng national government to help the community and the community to strive and to have a better opportunity.
Last question, Paolo.
Pangat lang po, Norme. Norme, pangat lang po. Ito, ito yung chicha.
Ba yung mic para makita yung ano.
Pero at the same time, as you can see, gusto rin namin ipalaganap
Doon kayo yung mic
ng mga mananabi natin.
Mic po, kababa na.
Down south. Modesty aside, every year, your city government of Manila is hosting food caravan from Mindanao. Alala nyo nung araw, pinala ko lahat ng pagkain dito sa Mindanao. Puntas, isda, and so on and so forth. Then when I assumed office, Madam Secretary, about 3 weeks ago, we brought back again the fruits of Mindanao. You know how much they sold? About 50 of them. 7.5 million in 5 days. In 5 days. Now, why we are doing that? Because of selling? No. We want them, the farmers in Mindanao, to meet the buyer. So, magpanagpo ng yung consumer o institutional consumer at saka yung supplier directly from Mindanao. Plus, of course, nabawi nila lahat ng transaction. Having said that, as you can see, itong mga habit o produkto ng Mindanao can be made available here in Halal Town. Officially, malinis, maliwanag, secured.
Kamay mo, nakaputi.
Kalaunan, kayo, tanongin mo kayo, kayo mga Muslim na dito, Ayaw nyo ba i-garantiyan na lahat ng bibisita rito ligtas?
Yes, inshallah. Yes.
Ayaw nyo bang linisin?
Yes.
Ayaw nyo maging maayos?
Yes.
There is no problem for you to be successful in the coming months.
Alhamdulillah.
Diba? Kaya yun lang naman yan. At the end of the day,
Okay na.
we're very excited. Yan, mga plano. Sinasuggest namin kay Secretary.
Okay na. Guys, okay. Guys, okay na.
Mike, baba mo lang. Ibuwan na lang namin.
Pasensya na.
Marco, mamaya na.
Okay na guys, pasensya na. Okay. Boss, photo op na lang daw, photo op.
Mike,
Photo op
alis
daw.
mo na yung mic.
Ay, ulo.
Baba muna natin. Nagkatrabaho muna ako.
Baba lang.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Ulo.
Camera lang po.
Atras. Ulo. Kunti lang.
Oh, cellphone.
Itim. Ha? Bilyonaryo. Atras po yung baba mo.
Ate, paano nga?
Ulo. Cellphone na itim po. Ulo.
Bawal sa may count yan.
Kaya-kaya yun.
Kaya